Hi and welcome to this new section of the course, and in this section starts the real deal. So in this section we're going to develop the first application of the course. Until now you went through the basics of Python, you learned functions, loops, conditionals, and handling files, etc. And now we're going to practice all those concepts by actually building real programs that can be used by users instead of just looping through trivial strings and numbers and so on. And so what are we going to build in this section? Well, you're going to build a program which you can give a word, an English word, and the program will return the definition of that word in English. So let me go ahead and demonstrate the program. I'm using Python 3. app1.py is a script. So the program asks you to enter a word which you want a definition for. For instance, let's say mountain. And so you get the definition for mountain, and in this case it happens to have two definitions. So a mountain is a feature of the Earth's surface that rises high above the base. Also, mountain has another meaning, which is a great number of large amount of things not placed in a pile. Anyway, there are words who have only one meaning, like mathematics, I hope, yeah. So you get only one definition for mathematics. But also, the program has other features as well, such as, if you put rain with double N, so with an extra N, and press enter, the program, instead of crashing, it displays a message. It tells you, did you mean rain instead? So it's quite an intelligent program that guesses the word that the user may have had in mind when typing the word. So enter Y if yes, if you meant rain, or N if no. Oh yeah, I meant rain, so Y. And you get the definition for rain, which happens to have two definitions. This is the first one, this is the second one. The program also, if you enter a very random word that doesn't have any meaning like that, you get the message that the word doesn't exist. Please double check it, because the program cannot find a similar word to this. It cannot find a word first, and also it tries to find a similar word to this one, but it doesn't, because I don't think there is a match for this. And so it prints out this message. And there's also other things like, if you have mix of letter cases there, like uppercase R and A, you still get the correct input there. So that's a program. It has a command line interface, which means you're passing the input through the command line and you're getting the input again from the command line. However, later in next sections, I'm going to explain you web applications, how to create web applications with Python. So you then may get back here and actually create a web application using the code that you will be learning in this section. So you can extend this program to make it more user-friendly with a web interface where the users can enter the input through a web form, through a web page, and then press a button and then get the output on that web page. However, the code that you'll be learning in this section is very important. It's core Python, so you're going to learn about conditionals and loops. So you're going to implement all those that you learned in the previous section by developing this program. So I hope you like this, and I wish you success. See you in the next lecture.